Hi, this is Mrs. Blaisdell. Today we're going to learn about mail merges and access. So hopefully you typed the letter that you needed in Activity 28 and you should be ready to go. So underneath your street address and so forth, there is a place where there are field names or like last name, first name with little greater than, less than symbols around there. And that's where the mailing goes in. So you might want to actually replace that with some things here, but you'll see. We're going to go to the Mailings tab, and then we're going to do Start Mail Merge, Letters, and it should just sort of blink. And then select Recipients, use an existing list, and then from there you want to find your Activity 26 or 27. What is it? 27, the Sweet 16 party. That's right. Okay, click Open. Nothing should happen. If you want to be sure that it is connected, you click on Edit Recipient List and you will see all of the stuff that you had typed into Activity 27 there. You can click OK then, and then you're going to go over here right underneath your street address and you're going to click on Address Block. Address Block should show you a preview that looks like this, where you have the first, last name, the whole address, city, state, zip. If not, you can play around with these over here and see, if there's something that's better. Okay, like that one takes the last name out. I don't know why you would ever want to do that, but hey. Or if you're not getting a field like the state name or the city name, let's say you can't spell, then you can match that up. So if your city is spelled differently than this city, you can just use the drop down, find it in the list, and match it up. Okay? You click OK and OK, and it'll put in Address Block with the greater than, less than symbols around it. Pretty simple. Then we're going to go over to where it says Dear, and we are going to put in a merge field, just one field there. We just need the first name, so we're going to go Insert, Merge Field. We're going to put the first name in and make sure there's a colon after that. Okay? Now, we want to check and see if this is working. So we click Preview Results, and you should see that Grace Bradley's whole address pops up in there, and then it should say Dear Grace with a colon afterwards. And that is exactly what you need to do there. You can then finish and merge, and you can edit individual documents there, merge records all, click OK, and it should print up to 20 pages then. That have all the stuff in them. So if you go to one of them, you'll see like Brianna Sims, her whole address, and Dear Brianna. If you already had stuff in there with those greater than, less than symbols that you didn't need, just get rid of it. It's not a problem. If something shows up in that place, just make sure you don't repeat. Okay, so that's it for the letter mail merge. To do address labels, we're going to go to just the database. That is for Activity 29. And so we're going to open up Activity 27 to do Activity 29. Okay? From there, we're going to go to Create. And you're going to see in the report area that there should be labels. And so if we click on our table, we just kind of need to select it over there. We can go to Labels, and your book will tell you that you should have Avery 5161, okay, which is a 1 by 4 inch label. There'll be 2 across, and that's perfect. There's a lot of stuff in this area of selection, so just find that one. Then click Next. You want Arial, and you want 10-point font size. Here's where you can change a weight of font, or you can add a text color. If it's Christmas, you might want red, but we're going to stick with that black. Then you're going to go over here, you're going to add the first name, space. You hit space on your keyboard. Last name. Then you're going to press Enter on your keyboard. Street address. Enter on your keyboard. City, comma, space. State, space, zip, and you're done. You click Next. And generally, I don't think your book asks you to sort, but generally if you are sorting, you're going to sort by zip code. So we'll just throw that in there for fun. Next, and finish. You may get a weird message. Just let it go. Click OK. It should look like this. Okay, there should be two labels side by side, and then it should have all the information it would need to get to Bountiful, Utah. All right, hopefully that helps. Have a great day. Bye-bye.